how to order from Alibaba. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up the Alibaba app, and here we will need to search for the item that we want to purchase. So I'm going to search for wallet, just like so, and choose the wallet that you want to purchase, or item that you want to purchase in this case. Okay, so you will need to either add it to your cart or start order. I'm going to click on start order. All right, so it's going to look like this. First, you will need to add the shipping address. So just type out your shipping address here, full name, phone number, as well as your address. You can enter it manually. Then after you have filled out this information, make sure you choose the correct product which you're purchasing, and then you will need to add a payment method. So after you have added a payment method, you can use PayPal, you can use Apple Pay, Visa cards, MasterCards. All of these different cards are also supported. After you have added a payment method, you will scroll down, read through this information, then click on proceed to pay, and that's going to create an order on Alibaba. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.